Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to make your presentation in Google Slides look more professional and good. This tutorial will be a very quick, straightforward, and really easy to follow one, so I want you to stick along and be with my side so that you can make your presentation fit the taste of your viewers, as well as to make it more slick, minimal, and eye-pleasing. Now, before getting started, I want you to make sure that you know the basics of Google Slides. If you have not already watched, I want you to watch first the beginner's guide that we have posted on our YouTube channel, in which I taught you the basic features and functions of Google Slides so that you can get along pretty easily in this tutorial. Now, as you can see right here, I have a slide of my beloved country, which is Philippines. And we got an image here, we got the fun facts and Filipino cuisine. Now in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily make this look instantly better, and it's actually quite simple. So now let us get started. Now first, I want you to make sure to copy some of the images that you are going to use to your Google Slides. Now if you do not have images yet, I can suggest that you go ahead to your browser and search for pixels, click enter, and from here you can see you got free stock footages. Let's say example, we search for a picture of an island. As you can see, if I press enter, we have tons of island pictures right over here, and they are pretty high quality and you can download it to your computer. Now as you can see, I already have here some of the images that I am going to use for this video, so let's get started. Now for the cover page, as you can see right here, I have a picture of an island. Now what we are going to do is to first send this backwards, and we can do that by right clicking on the image right over here, and then as you can see, if I hover my mouse to order, let us send it backwards. Set it backwards once again so that it is under the text. As you can see, it is now beneath the text that says Philippines. Now I'm just going to remove this text box out of the way so that it's not very irritating. Now all I have to do is to resize it. It is suggested in most tutorials or in most presentation to start with a very broad picture of what you are trying to present. Now you can also change the formatting of your picture right here in the format options. As you can see, you can recolor right over here if you want to change it to black and white and other colors. Now you can also do adjustments. Let's say I want it to be a bit dark. Now what I would do is you can change the font size of this text right over here, but I am going to keep the font size, but the font you can also change it. Now I am going to copy the subtitle because we want to make it a bit more smaller. So what will be left is the Philippines text, and we would like to change it to white so that it can have a contrast against the background. So you need to change its color to white. Sorry, you have to highlight it and then change it to white. And now as you can see, it's instantly better. Now we just need to place it at the center of our screen right there. We can increase the font size a bit more, like so. And from here, you can adjust some of the font formatting here on the right side. You can add a drop shadow, which will add depth to your text, like so. Let's increase the opacity. And now I'm going to add a text box by clicking this icon and dragging it across like so. And now we can type in the presented by. Let me type it and right click. Now what I would do is to change its font because it's currently not looking very good. So I will change its font, make it white, and I can resize it. Let's make it a bit more, let's make it a bit more smaller. And then we can adjust it put it right over here, or you can put it in the center if you wish, like so. And now as you can see, it is now instantly better. Now let us move on to the next page. Now for the title page, you want to keep it simple and minimal so that the viewers will not be confused of what you are trying to present. And now as you can see, it clearly depicts the Philippines while keeping that minimalistic vibe on the text. Now you can also add some details right over here, but for now I would like to keep it simple and keep it this way. Now right here I have the fun facts of the Philippines. Now right here I have again a picture. Now I would send it backwards again, like so. Now I'm gonna just copy these text so that we can re-enter it again later, and then move the text box away again so that we can focus on the picture. Resize it again until it fits the screen, make it more dim, and then the fun facts, we are going to change its font size a bit bigger, put it in the center, let's place it a bit higher like so, and then change it white, and then add a drop shadow like so, and then from here we can add a line right over here to create some sort of a break from the text. And then we can change its thickness right over here, change it to white as well. As you can see, it's not straight, so you just have to straighten it out. And as you can see, we have a break now that separates the fun facts header to what we are going to put. Now we are going to add a shape, tree shapes. Okay, we can just copy this. Sorry, first you need to change its color to black. Sorry, you need to change its color to black. Okay, now I'm going to change the color of this shape into black right over here, like so. And then we can decrease its opacity. So let me do that real quick. Now you can adjust the opacity of this on the colors again. Just click a custom color and then you can decrease its opacity here. Now let's keep it about halfway, I guess. And as you can see, we have here this one. Let us just remove the border. Now we can copy this shape and paste it twice, or depending on how much info you would like to add on your slide, but in my case there will be 3 fun facts. And now let me add my fun fact, which I just lost because I have copied something else on my keyboard, so let me retrieve it real quick. Now right here in my notepad I have here the different fun facts about the Philippines, so I'm just gonna copy it real quick and paste it in my text box right here, and then make it fit in the boxes that we have created. I'll just highlight it and then place it center, adjust it right over here, then change the font of it, then change its color to white. And now we can just copy this text box and paste it twice again. Sorry, it's about to rain here. Like so. Just need to paste it on the 3 boxes that we have created, and then copy the rest of the fun facts on my notepad, then paste it here, and then paste this one, copy this one, and then paste it here, adjust, and now as you can see we have a very professional looking slide that has the fun facts of the Philippines. Now let us move on to the Filipino cuisine. Now all I have to do is to search right here. Let us search for another picture. Let us stick with the island vibe. I'm gonna just copy this real quick and then send it backwards. Let's move it a bit like this and then fill up the screen like so. Now let's change its brightness. Let's make it a bit more dim, and then let's change our text. Let's put it in the center, and then what I'm gonna do with my text is make it white. Sorry, I'm just having a bit of trouble here adjusting the picture because it's too big. There you go. Now I'm gonna just put the Filipino cuisine text. Just move it out of the way. Turn it white. Right here. Like so. Sorry, we're out of the canvas. Please make sure that the canvas that you have fit your picture in the canvas. Now if you would like to crop your picture, you can easily crop it using this tool like so. You can crop it if you want. Like so, you can crop it, and now we can place it easily on our slide like so. Now let us put it in the center, and then let us copy this line that we have created earlier and paste it on this slide like so. And now we can paste this text. This one we are going to make it bigger right here. I'm going to change it to white, and for this one I'm not going to change the font, but I would justify it right here so that the ends would be on an equal proportion, and change it to white as well. Now if you would like, you can also add a shape right here. Insert shape, this one, and then put a shape right over here on the text, and then let us change the color to the color that we have set earlier, and then send it backwards. Sorry, just need to send it one time. Sorry. Now as you can see, we have some sort of a background for the definition of halo-halo. And now as you can see, if I present my slide, it just looks way more better and more professional. As simple as those tips and tricks, we can make and we can enhance our slides to make it more professional and make it look more good. If you learned tips on this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. And from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.